from work and you realize you have nothing to eat. So you think, oh, soup would be great, but you're out of breath. This is a soup base, like just out of regular spices in your cupboard. So we're gonna start with a tablespoon, 15 mils of parsley. Then we have 1 tablespoon, 15 mils each of, no, I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon, 5 mils each of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, salt. Half a teaspoon, get in there. Half a teaspoon, 2.5 mils of turmeric and pepper. There you go. So we're gonna stir this together, and obviously, well, maybe not obviously, I make jars full like that just to have on hand. I add this to soup, obviously. I add it to rice. I add it to stew. I add it to anything beef based. And this is just a nice flavor enhancer to have on hand in your cupboard and your pantry to have a really nice flavorful meal, but mostly it's for soup. I hope that inspires you. Thanks for watching.